cookies. So welcome back to my channel, and as you guys know, it's the month of October, so it's Halloween, and a lot of special effect looks contain either some kind of paint or wax and latex that not a lot of us have at home just lying around. So I decided to try and find a dupe or a replacement for liquid latex, as I feel like it's the easiest special effects kind of makeup to work with, and it's kind of all age friendly, if you could say that. So I was trying to think which other products you could use, and liquid glue would be one of them, but lash glue is extremely expensive. So I thought, what could I use other than that? And here's your answer. So this would be white school glue. I picked this one up at Chinatown for 8 rand. If you convert it to dollar, it's less than 50 cents. So it's quite cheap. Compared to 100 ml of liquid latex, this one is 70 rand and this one is 8 rand, and it contains, it does not say how much milliliters, but it does say it is non-toxic / safe, dries quick, glues paper, wood and leather cloth. I highly doubt it, but we can give it a try. I did patch test this on the back of my hand. My hand is fine. It did still sting to take off, the same as liquid latex, but I decided to give this a try, and as you can see, I was pretty successful with creating a flap of skin that can be pulled off of the face to create the effect of lifting skin, which is exactly what we are going for. So if you would like to see how to use something that is very cheap for your Halloween look, if you're a professional makeup artist, please don't use this on a client. It smells like bottled fart. I've got all the doors and windows in my room open at this moment just to survive. Yes, but it does work if you are in need of something quick to create a special effects makeup look. Then this is your go-to. Please don't use wood glue. Use something that says non-toxic. So without applying any primer or moisturizer on my skin, I just went and applied the glue straight to my face. Just using my finger, I'm spreading it out. You want to create a thin layer. I think if it's too thick, it takes quite a while to dry. I did get an assistant blow dryer to help and dry faster. You can see as it dried, the ends started lifting. I added 2 layers over this. Using an in-between layer of toilet paper or tissue did not work, so I just stuck to using the glue itself. I just covered it with some foundation to make it look like my skin. And then using a tweezer, I just lifted the edges so that it looks like the skin started peeling and lifting up. Be careful with those tweezers, they are sharp. We don't need any real scars. Just working around the edges, finding all the places you want to lift and the way you want to shape your scar. And using an injury wheel, I'm just starting my layers of the burnt, ripped skin lifting area, starting with red. You can use a red lipstick for this as well. I'm just coating the bottom. Remember to coat the inside of the skin flap as well, so that when it lifts up, it looks like it's still red and fleshy on the inside. All the yummy stuff, guys, all the yummy stuff. And starting with a deep purple, you could always use an eyeshadow for this, or a really dark lipstick, or even a black eyeliner if you don't have an injury wheel or paint in that color. Adding some fake blood on the edges. Be careful with adding too much liquid. The glue does tend to go all soggy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you found it helpful, and this might save someone's last minute Halloween look. Also, if you did not know, that I'm busy running a giveaway for the month of October, which would be linked at the end, with my first video of the month, which was the Mother Nature. You could either win some products or a special effects makeup look done by myself on you. So if you'd like to enter that, please head on over to the link that I will leave down below. And then I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'm excited to show you what else I have planned for this month. Hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Oh my word. Nou is ek wakker.